Unlocking vocabulary. Mastering definition clues. Hello learners. Welcome to another exciting session of our Advanced English Vocabulary series. Today, we're diving into the world of context clues. Those little hints in a sentence or paragraph that help you guess the meaning of a word you don't know. Specifically, we'll be focusing on definition clues, a key type of context clue. When we say definition clues, we're talking about those instances when the text directly provides the definition or explanation of the unknown word. They are the most straightforward type of context clues. It's like having a built-in dictionary in the sentence. Consider this example. Hibernation, a state of inactivity and metabolic depression in animals, allows some species to survive the winter. The phrase that follows the comma provides a direct definition of the term, hibernation. Identifying definition clues is crucial to fully understand and use this strategy. These clues are often introduced by words or phrases such as is, means, refers to, that is, or, in other words. They might also come in the form of appositives, nouns or noun phrases that follow or precede a noun and give more information about it. Let's look at an example. Calligraphy, an art of writing, is becoming more popular. Here, an art of writing is an appositive that provides a direct definition of calligraphy. Now that you know what definition clues are and how to identify them, it's time for some practice. Here's a sentence. In music, an octave, which is the interval between one musical pitch and another with half or double its frequency, is often divided into a series of 8 consecutive notes. Can you identify the definition clue? That's right. The phrase that follows the word octave defines what an octave is in the context of music. That's a wrap on definition clues for today. By learning to spot these useful hints, you can significantly improve your comprehension and vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using context to your advantage. Happy learning, and until next time, stay curious.